Welcome to your first lesson. In this lesson, I'm going to explain what HTML stands for and why we have to use it. So what is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Now, if we break it down, hypertext stands for links that connect web pages to another. Markup language presents text, images, and other content for display in a web browser. Now, what is it good for? HTML is used to build web pages. With HTML, you can build your very own website. HTML formats your page contents. For example, HTML helps to format title and paragraphs of text, tables, lists, images, and many other HTML elements. Okay, so now we just learned what HTML stands for and why we have to use it. On the next lesson, we're going to learn how a HTML document works.